What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to quickly go through another Alt hotkey shortcut, and today we're going to quickly learn how to insert columns very quickly. So let's just put in some quick data. As you can see, usually I just enter a couple numbers depending on what hotkey we're walking through. So if you haven't already, look for the first video about using the Alt hotkey. It's a great introduction to this. Really helps your efficiency and speed in Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the Alt button, and we're going to look for Insert Column. That is typically found, it is found on the Home tab and Insert Sheet Columns. So if you don't know the Alt hotkey, then you're most likely gonna take your hands off the keyboard, go to the mouse, and click Insert, and go to Insert Sheet Columns. What the Alt hotkey does is opens up obviously all the hotkeys. So we're gonna hit the letter H, and then the letter I for Insert, and C for columns, and when you hit C, boom, automatically does it for you. So Alt H I C. So when you get really good at it, you won't even barely see the letters pop up, and you can hit F4 to repeat. That's a good shortcut. So F4, if you hit the F4 button, it repeats your previous action. In Excel, if you need to insert multiple columns, hold down the Shift button and use the directional keys on your keyboard, and just hit Alt H I C, and boom, you've inserted 3 columns. So one more time, that is Alt plus the letter H plus the letter I plus C for columns. You do not have to hold all these buttons down, just type as you're typing on a keyboard. Alt H I C. So there it is, guys. Hope you appreciate it. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you, guys.